Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a talk kind of video, Nusrah talk, sit down kind of video. So yeah, in today's video the topic is going to be about self-love. This topic is something that people struggle with. They struggle with loving themselves, and this topic is really something we need to discuss with ourselves. So yeah, if this looks like a video that you'll be interested in, then you definitely want to keep on watching this. So yeah, let's get right into the video. So I want to talk about self-love, and most importantly, self-love to me is when you're being happy with yourself, you're contented with yourself, and you appreciate yourself more. Self-love is really tied to you, to insecurities. When you're insecure about yourself, when you're insecure about any other part of yourself, your body, and you're not satisfied with your body, you're not contented with the way you look, then it is due to the lack of self-love. Like when you don't love yourself, it's really a very bad thing. When you don't love yourself, you find difficult to appreciate things about yourself. And self-love has been something that I have struggled with the earliest teenage years of my life, and I think the problem of self-love is common among teenagers, because teenagers just they don't find it easy to like appreciate themselves and love themselves. And this can be due to like the environment they see themselves or they find themselves, or peer pressure, different things around them. In this video I'm going to be like sharing stuffs or tips on how to like love yourself and appreciate yourself the more. Self-love is a journey, like it's a journey. So this video is to help you achieve that journey of loving yourself, because self-love is a journey where you'll be happy with yourself, content, and you find everything about yourself good and worthy. I'm going to be encouraging this journey with this video, and I hope you guys learn a thing or two. Or if you're dealing with a problem of loving yourself, I hope this video helps you to find a reason to love yourself the more. So self-love is the most difficult and hardest kind of love you can have. But yeah, you need to like, it is the most important and valuable kind of love you can actually give to yourself. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys tips on how to love yourself. Yeah, because self-love is very important. And if you love yourself, you'll be content, you'll be grateful, you'll be happy, and being happy is the goal. My first tip I'm going to be sharing as regards self-love is you shouldn't seek validation from people. Like, don't seek validation from other people. You don't need anybody else to make you feel happy or make you feel good about yourself. Like, we all have different opinions, and don't let other people's opinion get to you. All in the bid of wanting to make other people happy, you will suffocate yourself, you make yourself unhappy. So yeah, you need to try as much as possible to be content with the way you look. Don't make any other person make you feel like your own ideal, okay, their own ideal kind of person should be your own ideal kind of person. Like, we all have different, we can't all be the same. Like, we have different body shape, we have different body size. Nobody can be the same. Like, when your friend is thin doesn't mean you have to be thin. Yeah, you can be fat and still be amazing, because that's just who you are. It is just exonerating to be who you are. So don't ever let anybody make you feel bad or bring you down about the way you look or about anything about you. So yeah, So yeah, another tip I'm going to be sharing with you guys is you should try as much as possible to have self-discipline, as in you should discipline yourself. You should have a particular journal that you like write your plan, your to-do list for the week or for the month. When you discipline yourself, you'll be able to fight addictions. Like when you're somebody that is always on social media and you compare yourself with other people, like where you have somebody in your niche that you're following and that person is actually doing better than you don't have to compare your growth with that person's growth. We all will get there. It just might take time, but it took time for that person to also get to where they are. So you don't have to compare yourself and keep ruining your own happiness or the love you have for yourself just because you keep comparing yourself with that particular person. So you need to like plan whatever you want to do whenever you want to do it. You should actually try as much as possible to be a planner. That always helps you achieve what you want to achieve and aid that love you have for yourself. Another tip I want to share is that you shouldn't be hard on yourself all the time, because I discovered that we are always too hard on ourselves and than other people. Like what we easily forgive other people for, we bite ourselves so much on it when we make such mistakes. Mistakes is human, to hear is human and to forgive is divine, like being said. So yeah, you should try as much as possible to forgive yourselves when you make mistakes, because I find out that when we make mistakes by ourselves, we give ourselves a harder time, we beat ourselves so much on it that it actually disturbs our mental health and it stresses us out. And yeah, so we should try as much as possible to not be hard on ourselves whenever we make mistakes. That mistakes are common among humans. We should just learn from that mistake and build ourselves up again. So yeah, we should always try as much as possible to rise from that situation whenever we find ourselves in that situation where like we just want to be away from people. Like when we make mistakes, we just want to like go off and punish ourselves, but no, that wouldn't help you. We just need to try as much as possible to rise from that mistake. That is yeah, another tip is you should take care of yourself more. Like you should take care of yourself physically, your skincare, your body care. You should try as much as possible to give yourself time to like take care of yourself. When you take care of yourself, you're showing yourself love more, then it actually aid your self-love, and you'll be happy, you'll be grateful, you'll be content, and whatever people say to you wouldn't get to you like it's used to, or it won't even get to you at all. So yeah, you should try as much as possible to like once in a while treat yourself out, go to a spa, buy yourself something, reward yourself for your hard work. Yeah, stress isn't good for the body, so you should try as much as possible to distress and take care of yourself. So another tip is you should discipline yourself from engaging in things that are going to harm you. When you engage in things that are going to harm you, it's going to make you unhappy. Like you're going to end up regretting it, you're going to end up making mistakes, and when you make mistakes you end up beating yourself way too much over it. So you try as much. So another tip I have is you should try as much as possible not to engage yourself in activities that are going to like drain you mentally, psychologically, physically. Yeah, such activities that that will stress you out, will fag you out, will give you unnecessary breakdown, or you not be very happy or agile doing it. You should stop doing such activities, because happiness and self-love comes in hand. So that really, when you're not happy doing what you are doing, you wouldn't get the best out of it. So you should try as much as possible to not engage in something that will like not be productive for you. Another tip I'm going to be sharing is you should try as much as possible to not be hard on yourself. You should always forgive yourselves whenever you make mistakes, because I discovered that people are usually too hard on themselves when they make mistakes, and when others make mistakes they tend to forgive them easily. But when it comes to your own self, it's always difficult for you to like forgive yourself for making little mistakes. So you should try as much as possible to rise from such situation. You shouldn't just go blank, avoid people and stay away from people and hurt yourself. So yeah, always try as much as possible to like forgive yourself no matter how hard it seems. Another tip I'm going to be sharing is you should always talk to yourself positively. Try as much as possible to like, you know, engage in giving yourself positive affirmations every morning when you wake up. Say positive things to yourself. When you say positive things to yourself, it will like, give you that ginger, that happiness, that degree of energy you need to like go through that day. So yeah, giving yourself that positive pep talk is something that you need. So another tip that you need in this self-love journey is you should try as much as possible to like not compare yourself with other people. Do not compare yourself to like other fellow people in your niche. If you're a designer, comparing yourself with big designers when you're just starting out, compare yourself with somebody. So another thing is you should try as much as possible to be compassionate, kind, and humble towards other people. Treat other people better. When you treat other people better, then the universe has a way of making other people treat you better. Like, you can't expect to treat other people in a very bad way and be treated in a good way too. So yeah, you should be kind, humble, compassionate, and treat other people better. You should try as much as possible to surround yourself with people that are good, like this, that want to see you grow, people that have the same vibe as you, people that want you to see you grow and achieve what you want to achieve. Another thing is you should try as much as possible to like focus on things that you can change rather than things that you're unable to change. You should like write down what you want to achieve, like what you can attain, what you can change, put it down and make sure you like achieve that thing. So yeah, you're able to change what you want to change. Like faith and belief and your spirituality also has a lot to do with self-love. When you're close to your God and you pray often, like you pray, you share your problems with God, you believe that there's an ultimate superior being that that can take care of all your problems, then it really enhances this your self-love too. So another tip is you should try as much as possible to like show gratitude in everything you do. Like when you wake up in the morning, you pray. If you're a Christian, you pray the way you know how to. A Muslim, you pray the way you know how to. You show gratitude for whenever you get something that you want. When you always show gratitude. When you show gratitude, then this actually also enhances self-love too. So yeah, this brings me to the end of this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Hit that subscribe button down below. Yeah, I'm waiting. Thank you. Please ensure you subscribe. So yeah, if you like this video, please ensure you like and comment and let me know what tips that you can also use to like overcome the not loving yourself, like to enhance your self-love and everything. What you can do, your suggestions will be really appreciated. I remain Magaji Nusrah Magaji, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So you can also click up here and help here to like check my other playlist and watch my other videos. Yeah, your support is really well appreciated. I'm trying to get to 500 subscribers and I know we can do it. So please guys, share with your family, share with your friends, share with anybody possible. Till next time, see you guys. Bye.